Welcome to the first episode of Cooking with Dr. Taj. 2 loaves of Italian bread. Bread doesn't fit. Next thing we do is add our homemade pizza sauce. Whoa. We do like to use dairy-free cheese. Definitely don't promote dairy cheese because of all the inflammation and the liquid fat, which it really is. And this still has fat in it, but you don't get all of the protein from animal that can cause a lot of inflammation. Toppings that we like to add. So one of us in our family, one of my kids, likes only tomatoes. Then we have a little bit of homemade Italian seasoning. I like to throw and give a little extra kick or flavor. This slaps.